What's good, fam? Today we back in the stew with the second iteration of hype news. There's a lot to go over, from Nike suing Bape,
hey yo, what the fuck?
Jordan holiday releases, even some Tiffany Air Force Ones, Supreme leaks, a lot of shit going on. If y'all do end up enjoying this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below. That way you can make the squirrels start dancing. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. And with all that being said, let's get straight to it. There's honestly a lot of shit going on, but I guess I'm gonna start it here with the Biggie Jordan 13s. It's basically paying homage to the legend Biggie Smalls. Don't get too excited because these shits ain't even releasing to the public. This is gonna be a Sotheby's auction. I believe there's like 23 pairs if I'm not mistaken, and hey, I just thought I should show y'all because this is actually a thing. It's not a thing that we could attain, but shit, it's a thing. Another unattainable collaboration is the unreleased Jordan 1 Fragment. This one right here is a little different, you feel me? It's black with the blue, still has the stamp on it. We're probably not gonna see this shit released. It is what it is. This isn't Mayer's collection. Y'all already know he stayed with the PEs. And this black and blue one is another one that he touched. We actually do have some on-feet images of the Jordan 1 Spider-Man. They're looking alright. It's a little bit too much going on. And since I recently got the Lost and Founds, I feel like it's a sneaker that I don't really need in my collection. How many Chicagos do you really need? These are a little different, you feel me? A little bit of spiciness added to it. Let me know if it's a sneaker that y'all are interested in. For me, it's a hit or miss, to be honest. Like I said before, it's a little too much going on, but they're looking clean in hand. It's just not a sneaker I need in my collection, so I definitely will be passing on this. As we get more news for official release dates and shit like that, I will keep y'all posted. Make sure you subscribe if you want that type of news. But yeah, we got these on the toe. Another on the toe pair we got is the CDG New Balance 1906. There's these two different colorways, and honestly the black one is giving off Balenciaga runner vibes, everyday dad sneaker, mow the lawn type beat. That's what this is giving off, but in that black color it almost gives like an aggressive everyday sneaker. They even got a leather pair. Them shits look like the McDonald's specials, bruh. Non-slip 2000s, you feel me? These black mesh ones are actually clean. The white ones are clean too, but honestly I would just go for the black. Let me know if y'all copping the CDG New Balance 1906 Rs. When I heard this next bit of news, bro, I got amped up. The Jordan 1 Satin Breads are supposed to be coming back this year. This is a super limited release that came out in 2015. There was also the Royal with the satin finish. They were even numbered pairs, and allegedly we're supposed to get this bread version this year. Hopefully that is the case, cause shit, bro, y'all already heard my breads were foo-foo. And if I'm being transparent, I don't really fuck with the patent breads, so shit, I'd be gassed for the satin pair. Honestly, I would rather just the regular leather joints, but the satin pair do, you feel me? If those are dropping, it's a must cop for me. Top 3 on my radar from everything I've seen so far is that, the Reimagined, Cherries, and a couple other pairs that we're gonna get into in a little bit. Satin breads this year. Let me know if you're excited for it. Maybe we might get the Royals next year. Who knows? I don't know if I need these, bro. Let me know if I should keep them or sweep them. There's actually 3 Supreme leaks I want to get into for this upcoming season. One of them being the Tamagotchi that's gonna be coming out. Shit, Nostalgia Boys are in the building. Y'all already know, if you follow Nori Archives, I'm all about the nostalgia, and we are going crazy on there. Go follow. But the Tamagotchi, bruh, brings back memories. I don't know if y'all had one in the past. I've low-key fiddled with one in the past. Never really owned one personally, but had friends that did, and I used to like feed the shit, you feel me? Hey, if Supreme is dropping one, we gonna fuck around and have to cop. It is what it is. Let me know in the comments if y'all are amped for the Tamagotchi. I feel like it's a nice little accessory, something different than a Zippo or a knife. Gives it a little bit more flavor, something you could play with. I hope that the character has like Supreme vibes on it. That shit would be hard. Shit, we gonna have to wait and see. Teaser is actually around the corner. I'm gonna be on my little getaway at that point, so y'all might not see it till a little bit later. Now I want to see what other accessories they're gonna drop. Next leak we had was the Air Bacons. Now I actually did have a pair of these. I did buy them a size bigger, so they used to be like clown shoes on me. Shits were clean nonetheless. The black and red pair, this one right here, is the one I had. If Supreme is gonna drop these, I might consider buying them. I'm low-key into the retro sneakers, bro. They're bringing back the Charles Barkley's, and I'm gonna need a pair of those for sure. These Air Bacons fall into that same high top retro basketball sneaker category for me. Supreme doing a collab on them is gonna be interesting, you feel me? I hope they don't it up and do some bullshit on them. They tend to do that very often, but if it looks something similar to this right here, it's a must cop. Now I'm also hearing that Supreme is gonna do another Dunk collab this season. We gonna have to see what's up. We don't got no pictures, no mock-ups, nothing. We just got words in the air, bruh. That's all we got so far. Leave a like and comment down below if you're excited for SS23. If you done with Supreme, also let me know in the comments. I kind of want to gauge where y'all at with it. I've been trying to drop more sneaker content. That's where my head's at, but shit, we still gonna make it do what it do. That's all we got for Supreme though. The teaser and all that shit is coming soon. Stay tuned if you're interested in that. This Tiffany Air Force One is looking fire, bruh. They asking for $400, which is OD. I'm not gonna lie, that's OD for a pair of black Air Force Ones. But these are Tiffany. That little swoosh, you feel me? These shits are looking sexy, bruh. They're trying to reincarnate these bitches, and I feel it, bro. I'm all for it. $400 is a little steep, but I'm for it, bro. If I could get these for retail, I kinda would consider it. That's the crazy part. But it's just one of those things where we might have to just wait and see what's going on. I feel like if they're $400, the material's gotta be OP. Obviously it has the little Tiffany plaque on the back and on the tongue, Tiffany colored swoosh on it. They're actually going hard, bro. I might have to go for these, no bullshit. Only for retail though. Don't get it twisted, bro. I'm not paying resale for no shit like this. It's a dub. Tiff be coming for the pockets. This next one blew my mind because a couple years ago I honestly thought that these wouldn't even be a possibility. Kobe reverse Grinch. They're letting his legacy live on. The fact that we're getting reverse Grinches is clean, you feel me? Will they do better than the actual Grinch? I don't think so, but they do look clean at the end of the day. Let me know if it's a pair you're gonna be going for. I know there's still hella Kobe stands that fuck with the basketball sneakers, so I see these shits selling out like these. But typically when Kobe releases happen, I'm not first in line. It's weird, but I've never really owned a pair of Kobe's. I've had a couple pairs of LeBrons back in the day. Never really a pair of Kobe's. I don't know why. I'm not gonna lie. Let me know if y'all gassed for these though. I see a lot of people actually being hyped for these. This next one is kind of bleh. Put it on the list because a lot of people fuck with the Tom Sachs shit. It's the brown pair that's gonna be coming out. I believe we don't have an official date yet. We had the creamish with the blue. We had the yellow. Now we got the brown pair. Literally. I honestly don't really like these that much. I do mess with the first Mars Yard that he dropped. After that shit started kind of dwindling in the wind, bro. Like I'm not really too gassed for these at all. I love the shape on that first sneaker he did with the tabs. It was just a whole different ass vibe. These aren't really giving me that. Tom Sachs brown color 2023. If it's a cop, let me know. For me, shits are a dub. I'm not gonna lie. Before we get into the big news for this video, which is Nike suing Bape, we're gonna talk about some of the Jordan releases for this holiday. Starting off with the DMP Jordan 11s, bro. We thought it was gonna be Legend Blues or Gammas that were gonna release this year, but no. JB had other plans. I feel like since we got Concords not that long ago, it kinda doesn't make sense. They should have done Gammas or Columbias and then next year hit us with the DMPs. DMPs are literally this with like a more yellowish tone outsole, then the gold Jumpman. Obviously you get the little hang tag and shit like that, but it's nothing too majorly different. Believe we got these like 2019 is the year that's coming to my mind. Since it is like 3 years ago, I see them doing DMPs. People still gonna be gassed for these. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna go for the DMPs because I already have these and I don't really wear them too much, but I guess DMPs are a cop, you feel me? Those are a banger. It's one of the best packs that Jordan ever released. DMP 6 with the 11s pack was crazy. I feel it. Just do your thing. I'm gonna do my thing. You feel me? Like, I don't know if I need them, but at the end of the day, I know a lot of people didn't get these, might want to cop these. For me, it's a miss though. If I could get them for retail, I possibly would do a little review and then get them the fuck out of here. It is what it is. Crazy part is DMPs aren't even the only 11 we're getting this year. We're also gonna get these Neapolitan Jordan 11s, which are women's exclusive, but they got this pink tone to it. They looking fire. Don't kill me in the comments, bro. I'm more excited for these than the DMPs. This pink color is looking ever so sexy. Shit, your boy can fit a women's size, so we might around have to go for these shits right here. If this is exactly what they're looking like, count me in, coach. I don't really have that many pink sneakers and I feel like they look hard. Let me know if y'all gonna be going for these. I feel like it's a beautiful looking sneaker, but then again, this is a mock-up, so we don't really know. If it's looking like this, count me in, coach. We are in there. 2 more holiday releases to go over in this video. I'm gonna try to do a full breakdown once I get some more leaks. For now, we got the Cherry 12s, which we spoke about in the previous hype news news. The fact that these are rumored to release this year, beautiful, bro. This year in sneakers is looking sexy because of these right here, mainly. I just hope people sleep like they always do on Jordan 12s. Let me cop, let all the Jordan 12 cherry lovers cop. These shits are supposed to come this year. And the last holiday release for JB is the Fear Jordan 3s. These are actually sexy, bro. I remember when the Fear 3, 4, and 5s released. Couldn't get my hands on them. I mainly wanted the 3s and the 4s. Them shits look beautiful, bro. Honestly, I hope they do the pack again, but I will make it do what it do with the 3s, bro. I love the way that the grays are on this, that gradient on the midsole. It's just looking beautiful, bro. The little hits of orange, everything on these is impeccable, at least to me. And as I was saying in my last video, they're trying to bring Jordan 3s to the forefront. Jordan 4s are gonna dip down and Jordan 3s are gonna come up. I feel like that's what's gonna happen. Maybe I'm tripping, maybe I'm wrong, but if I'm right, I hope y'all come back to this video and say, shit, bruh, you were right. Fuck it. Last bit of news we got is the fact that Nike is suing Bape.
Fight.
For the Bapestas, which is basically Bape's version of the Air Force One. This is a lawsuit that's been brewing for over 20 years. Honestly, I feel like this would have never happened had Warren Lotus not stolen the dunks from Nike. I feel like that opened the can of worms. Now Nike's coming for everybody's neck, bro. They ain't playing, like it's over. We all know Bapesta been stealing Nike's design, put the little star on it, twist it, turn it, and it becomes a whole thing. It's been happening for over 20, almost 30 years, bro. So the fact that Nike is now trying to do some shit, come on, son. It's pretty much because of Warren Lotus, bro. Just blame it on dude. This shit would have never happened a couple years back before everybody started doing their iteration to the Dunk and the Jordan 1 and the Air Force 1 too. But it's just crazy to think that Bapestas might be out of commission, bro. They've been an iconic part of the sneaker culture. It's one of those things where Bapestas were lit, bro, with all the superhero collabs. Kanye Bapestas, come on, bro, undeniable. Like, that's probably one of the best looking collabs in my opinion. Like, it looks beautiful. I love the bear on it. Like, shit's just crazy. I feel like Bapesta was one of those sneakers that always had like something going on. So for Nike to come through and just sock them, it's fucked up. Like, it's fucked up, bro. It is what it is, though. They were stealing Nike's designs. Nike has all the patents obviously to their designs, so they are gonna come for some next. And I feel like Bape gonna have to dish out a good amount of money to Nike, because shit, they've been making bank off of Nike's designs. But if I'm being transparent, the fact that this whole lawsuit is going on is making me want to buy a pair of Bapestas. Always wanted some and I never got them, but I feel like now is the time before I can't buy them no more type shit. Y'all might low-key see a pair of Bapestas coming to the channel soon. Fuck it, bro, because they might be out of commission like I was saying, and I'm trying to get some before it's too late. But let me know how y'all feel about the whole Bape Nike situation in the comments. I feel like it's honestly kind of crazy. Long time coming. They've been brewing this lawsuit for 2 decades at this point. If y'all enjoyed this one, make the squirrel dance by leaving a like on this video. Let's see if we could get this shit to 100 likes. Pretty easy, bro. Y'all could go down there and leave the like. It's free, not asking for much. Subscribe as well. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.